So this is one side. Butterfly pillow! So soft. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you everything that I got from Christmas. The first thing I want to show you is my Reborn baby doll. This is Paige. She came with clothes, an owl onesie, a pink polka dot onesie. She has some bibs, this flower one, a white one.
Hello, love.
Hello, love. And then another white one, and then I got her flower one right here on her. And she also came with a bottle and a little binky. And right now, her onesie is with hearts on it. And she also came with a little headband and some little socks. Next thing I'm going to show you is my stunt stand. This is my stunt stand right here.
So you're a flyer for your cheer team, and that will help you with your stunts.
Yeah. And then I have an alarm clock, a Instax Camera. I got a mini fridge, and this is how you open it. You push this, and then it'll open. Next on my list, my Lego Friends Lego set. This is a hospital, and if you can see on the back, this is what you can build. Right here, I have an iPad case.
Okay, new iPad case.
A new iPad case. Some cotton candy. I got my baby Yoda stuffed animal. An OMG remix doll. And I got Kitty K. And I can't wait to open her. Animal popcorn, right here, if you can see. And then a new Fitbit, and it's the same one as my brother's, except the laces are purple, right here. They're purple, not black. And then I got a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I have a Sweets and Treats coloring book. I can color all of these. And then I also got an Adorable Pets coloring book. I got a new pack of markers right here. Yellow, pink, red and orange, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. And by the colored markers, I also have colored pens. And I can use this colored pen and the markers in my new soft kitty notebook. Right here. I can write anything, and it's rainbow on the front and rainbow on the back. I also have a Stay Focused journal that I can write things in. Also, I got all of this art supplies from my Mimi, and now I can make lots of arts. I have some pencils and some paint, some canvases, Kittens 2021 calendar, and these are all of the pages: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, October, November, and December. And then it's a 2-pack. You have a big one and a small one. I also got a Barbie sleep mask and Amelia Bedelia road trip book and a fuzzball top pen. So this is one side, and then this is the other side. There's two sides. And then you can do this one. And it looks like you're a Barbie. Next on my list I have a big butterfly pillow. And it's so soft. And I know for proof I slept with it last night. And it was so cozy. And last but not least, I have my AirTrack. AirTrack! Okay guys, that's all for my video. I hope you guys had a very, very Merry Christmas. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!